Hi, this is Vaishnavi, EC third year. That makes me a junior.
Yeah, I am MG Binduvardhan. I'm currently pursuing my fourth year in Geetham, Bangalore, and I'm a senior.
Yeah. I heard that you were placed in Lagato. So, what is the procedure? What were the rounds you faced to get into Lagato?
Actually, there are some 3 to 4 rounds in Legato. I just I just started with one competitive round. It consists of MCQs and it have knowledge testing round and some aptitude round. So we gonna answer to them, and after finishing that one, we gonna step into coding round. Coding round consists of two codes. We need to pass the text cases and we just move on to the next round. Next round consists of speaking skills. The computer, we need to speak with computer for 2 to 3 minutes. They're gonna just give us a topic, so that we need to speak about the topic for 2 to 3 minutes, so that they're gonna check our English vocabulary skills and speaking skills, how we will be managing our English skills. And after that I had an interview gone for 15 to 20 minutes. After finishing my interview, they took some 2 to 3 days gap, and they announced that those results. That's it.
So, okay, usually few people will have this fear of facing an interview. So,
Yeah.
do you have any suggestions or tips to give us
Actually, I
to
am a,
overcome?
yeah. Actually, I am also a little bit nervous about the interview, but to overcome that, we just need to give some interviews before attending these campus placements in our college. There are some interview groups in Telegram or some other platforms, so we just go and give some random interviews so that we can make ourselves comfortable, and we just need to prepare with our concepts and with our key knowledge. So when we are attending an interview, if we know the answer, it will be so easy, and we cannot be fearing for that. If we know the answer, we can clearly answer them, and we can easily get the job. And one thing that we just need to focus on time also, because time is very much important when we are taking exams in these companies, because they're gonna give you a limited time. So we need to do and pass that rounds in a limited time. For coding, for example, for coding they just gonna give 45 minutes of time. In 45 minutes we need to pass two cases, pass we need to do two coding rounds. So after that we're gonna move on into next round. So time is also very important while writing these exams.
So, what kind of questions do they ask? What do they usually ask? Like common questions in interviews?
First they're gonna ask about ourselves, just introduction of ourselves, and after that they just ask me about some few basic questions of data structures, like inheritance, polymorphism, and those things. And they will ask questions in from resume is very important, because we need to mention our correct information in that. If not, if we are if we are some other information in that, it will be a little bit serious when they are going to ask the questions from those. So just mention resume clearly, because from those only they're going to ask us questions. And they had asked about string length. In coding they asked me about string length, just formula of that, just tell me a code of that. And after that they just asked me reverse program. I just answered those two questions, and they asked me from they asked randomly, like how is your online classes going. I Online classes, and how is your lockdown experience, how is your family. That's all those questions. That's it.
So, supposed to that our resumes are not faked.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
We make sure that.
Okay. And how happy are you with this Geetam Bangalore placements?
I'm very much happy for Bangalore placements, which our placements group helped us to do that. because in recent times we are suffering from lockdown, and most of them are suffering from jobs. And in this pandemic time also, the Geetam Bangalore helping us with our campus placements. They are bringing out more companies to us to make us to be in a good position. So I really thank Geetam Bangalore placement team for these opportunities.
How's your 4 beautiful years of experience in Geetam?
Yeah, it's very good. Actually, it's only two because uh, these 2 years gone in lockdown. We are just spending time. I'm just spending time in home and with my family. Actually, my first year and second year are so much beautiful. Spending time in Bangalore, Geetam, because the uh, climate over there, the atmosphere, and the infrastructure over Geetam, Bangalore makes me so much feel good to be there, and it just given me a good memories. I just made a good memories with my friends, roaming around canteens and roaming around all those things. I have participated in some dance programs in Geetam Bangalore. It just helped me so much. I just had a very beautiful days in Bangalore, Geetam.
Where do you see yourself in coming 10 years?
Yeah, I will not say that I will be in a CEO of this company. I will not, but I will be in a position like I will be offering a job to 10 members, 100 members, or how many the account may be. Just I will be in a position to offer someone a job. I just wanted to build a company of myself. I just wanted to give job to others and help them, and to help my family, and to build a bright future and bright career for me and for my family. I'm just working on it.
Oh, it's a great idea, actually. So, apart from academics, were you a sports person? Were you into sports or NCC, NSS kind of clubs? You know, Geetam have a lot of clubs. Were you into any of them?
Yeah, actually, Geetam provided so sports and NCC or NSS, but I participated in dance competitions. Like
Okay, so you were.
in every fest, I participated in dance competitions, in dance fest, or everything. And I went in 2019. I went to Geetam Vizag with my team for dance competitions. I some inauguration day was held on that day. We just went there and we just gave our performance. That's it. I just participated in dance. I like dance more. I'm interested in that.
Okay, so do you have any suggestions to give to your juniors?
Uh, I only suggest that be prepared with your concepts and with your skills. Increase your coding skills. If you are from CSC or EC, just improve your like coding skills, because when you are getting into a company, most of the companies use Java, Python, and all these programming languages. So when you are thorough with that programming languages, you can easily get into that those multinational companies with a good packages or something. If you are very good at coding, we may get a good packages also, which help us to make our future bright. And I suggest that only thing. And as you guys are in 3-1, just start from now. So it will you will be getting more opportunities for next year. I think this year from apart from this year, you will get more opportunities for your batch, I think, because every year it's gonna increase. It never be decreases, it's gonna increase. So you're gonna start from now, and you will definitely get a good job and placements when you work hard. That's it. Just work hard and you see the best results. You will see the best results when you work hard. You will see the best
Okay.
results.
Okay. So, when did you get this internships and kind of stuff like that? Like, which sem you were in to get into this interviews and stuff like that?
I just did my internship after I completing my 3-2. I just worked for 45 days in Systems Global Services. It's a multinational company, US based company. So my uncle was working there and he referred me as an intern. So I just worked for 45 days. I just experienced the work culture, how the multinational companies will be. And starting, it will be a little bit pressure to handle those all things, because as we students, we never experienced that culture. So it takes time. It's take a 1 week or 2 weeks to adopt for those companies, and after we gonna adapt, we will have a different culture there. And I did one internship from so RPA internship and robotic process automation. So I just completed two of my internships till now, and I did one also. I did Python internship in Phoenix Global. It is an 1 month internship. They just made me help to get over of, and they just explained me briefly about what's Python and some programming. They just helped me out of it.
So, when do you prefer to study? The morning hours or late night studies? When do you prefer studying?
Studying, it's definitely late nights, because in actually I was staying in hostel for first year and second year. When every guys, we not gonna study in morning time. We just start late night battings, because we just started 12 o'clock, and we just ended up by studying up to 5 in the morning, and we'll just have a sleep for 2 to 3 hours, and we'll just go to the exam hall, and we start writing exam, and we will get out of it definitely, because night outs will gather us more information. So friends gonna helping out of it. If one may be not perfect in that, another one will be perfect in it. So that guy will come forward and explain those thing, what's the information correctly. So he gonna explain to all of them, and if I am perfect in any topic, I just explain to them. So we gonna share all those things, and we will write the exam. And studying, I mostly prefer in night only, because I will not have that mood to study in morning. I'll just prefer night studies.
So, how do you used to enjoy in Geetham hostel?
Yeah, it's completely different vibe in Geetham hostels, because most of the time we spend in hostels only rather than campus or in classrooms. We spend more time in hostels, and hostel will be so much spaceful, and it will be so much neat and clean. So all the friends gather together, and we will go to mess. After that, we go to canteen, and when we are about to sleep, we'll just take one laptop and keep over the bed, and 10 to 15 members will watch the same series or be in that laptop, and it makes a good memories. After that, we gonna wake up for 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, and we gonna search for some food or snacks, something. It's a good memory always. It's a best memory, I think.
So much for your time. It was a pleasure to interview you. And
Yeah,
congratulations again for getting into Legato.
yeah, thank you so much. And I think you should be in my place in next year, and you just need to answer for your juniors. I wish you all the very best for your future and your further placements. Uh, I'm so much happy for this, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you again.
Welcome.